Good morning! I'm coming to you from the sunny south of France today, and I'm really excited to show you one of the most unique places I have ever stayed. I'm staying on a sailboat. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to take it out of the marina, but it's still really fun to hang out on. So let me give you a little tour. This is our outside seating area, and there's the front of the boat there. And then we're gonna go down the steps, which it's more of like a ladder, so you really probably don't want to do this after a couple of drinks. Okay. So we've got the kitchen, which has a little stove. It is a gas stove. So basically the guy told me you have to turn it on, wait like a minute, and then light a match, which makes me a little nervous. So we're not gonna do that. Also, almost 90 degrees here. Like, we're not gonna be cooking. Working sink. So that's why my toothbrush is out here. And then there's some storage down here. Another bed if like somebody else wants to sleep there. I keep hitting my head off of the ceiling. Now that we're seated and I'm not gonna hit my head, let me continue our little tour. So this is like where I'm storing my luggage. And then this is technically, I'm on the bed now. Stayed here last night and I had the best sleep of my life. It was so nice, like having the gentle rocking of the boat. Surprisingly, it wasn't like that hot because obviously there's no AC and it is the south of France in August, but it was perfect. This is it, and then there's one more feature to show. I know everyone's curious, is there a bathroom? There is. It's also very low, so I keep hitting my head, which is fun. The bathroom, which was really entertaining to hear about. Turns out on a boat, there are certain things you can and cannot do in the bathroom. You cannot flush the toilet paper, and the only thing you can do really is pee because it gets flushed out into the marina. So if you're ever like on a boat or near a marina and thinking about jumping in, don't do it in the marina. It's filthy. If you want to do anything other than that, you have to walk. I'll show you. It's like a good walk. Here we go. All the way down there. And there's like a big building with showers and bathroom facilities. So depending on what you need to do, you can either stay in the boat or you've got to take like a nice long walk. I'm actually just getting ready to go shower, so we'll see. I don't know how that's gonna be yet, but hopefully it's nice. I feel like it's the south of France. It should be nice. Okay, so now I'm just heading over to use the showers, which should be really interesting. Small disclaimer, because I did just get here last night, I don't have another swimsuit with me. This is my only swimsuit. So you're seeing me wear it to the shower. I'm gonna clean it in the shower and then I'm gonna wear it again because I don't have another swimsuit yet. That is just the glamorous reality of traveling out of a backpack. Okay, so we found the showers. Here's what they look like. You can see there's just like a little shower door there. There's another one here, and then there's also two toilets. But my favorite feature of this bathroom is the fact there's an air conditioner. It is so hot out today, and as you can see, even with my sunscreen, I'm already a little burnt. So I definitely need to go get better sunscreen, but I'm also so sweaty. I cannot wait to shower. So I'm gonna go shower, and I will see you soon. After that shower, I feel like a whole new woman. My bikini's washed. I'm just wearing it back so it's dry by the time I get home, hopefully. I can put on some clothes, get on the train, and head over to Antibes to go meet some of my friends. Oh, I'm so happy to be here. And I'm really happy to be showing you around. So I hope you stay tuned. We'll head over to Antibes soon, but first, I've got to go brush my hair, let myself dry off from the sun a little bit, as you do in the south of France, and then we'll head over to Antibes for a bit.